Well, hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something a little bit different. It's sort of a party food. It's stuffed mushrooms. Anybody like stuffed mushrooms? Yeah, I do. So, stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. First thing, we need these ingredients. Some really strong mature cheddar cheese. Then we want a half a teaspoon of black pepper and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. We want a teaspoon of sage, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half of a white onion finely chopped, some cooking oil, some bacon. I've just got here some back bacon and some breadcrumbs, and obviously you want some mushrooms. Now I've picked these out of the supermarket. They look pretty good to me. They're called Woodland Gold mushrooms. Never heard of them before. Anyway, we start by putting some oil in a pan, followed by the bacon that we've been finely chopped up. In that goes, and we can stir this around a little bit. Get this on the go. We want to cook this quite thoroughly. Get it cooked through. Get all the juices, all the fattiness coming out, and then we can pop in chopped onions. Cook these through until they're translucent. And don't forget they're soaking up all that bacon flavour as well. Then we can go in with our spices. 4 of those, quite easy to remember really. That's the sage. And then the garlic powder. There we go, mix this in. Starting to pick up the flavours already. Then we can go in with the cheese. I've used about 2 ounces here. A nice strong cheese. Mix this in. Now what I've also done is I've decided that I've taken the stalks out of the centre of the mushrooms. I've finely chopped these up and I'm going to pop those in as well at the end. First a bit more cheese. Starting to get to the right consistency now. A bit sort of sticky and gooey if you like. That's the way it should be. In with the breadcrumbs. This bulks it out a bit, plus it adds a nice bit of texture. In with those chopped up mushroom stalks, in they go. I've turned the heat to low. I don't want to cook these through too quickly, but there they are, that's done. Now I've got the mushrooms all lined up, and I'm just going to paint these over with a little bit of cooking oil. Tops and bottoms. There we go, there's the last one. And then we can start filling these up. Don't want to fill them up too much. But then again, you want to fill them up enough, don't you? There we go, I missed a little bit there. Pop that back on. And there we go. There's the last one. Grate over some cheese, some of this mature cheddar cheese. We give a little sprinkling over the top there. This obviously is going to melt down while it's in the oven. And a little spray of this olive oil. And the reason for this is so that when we sprinkle on these breadcrumbs, they're going to stick and they'll make a nice little crust on the top. Very, very flavoursome, don't you think? Then of course it's off to the oven. There we go guys, look, finished product. Lovely crust on there too. Hey, that's nice. That really is nice. Please try this for yourself, follow my instructions and you won't go wrong. And you'll have a delicious party food or a snack. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And yeah, what more can I say except bye for now and see you next time.